Hello everyone, welcome to the first module of this week, and the name of this module is Google Analytics, Introduction and Significance. So in this module, we will understand the basic working of Google Analytics, and we will also try to find out that why every website owner should use the Google Analytics tool when it comes to the understanding of the visitor's behavior. Just tell me one thing, as a website owner, what most important information you would like to know about your visitors when they are on your website? Just think for a while. So very right, you would like to know about how many visitors are there on your website, how much time are they spending on your website, from where are they coming, what exactly they are doing on your website, are they coming from desktop or from mobile phones. Similarly, there are so many other aspects about which you would like to know about. Now the question is, how can I get such type of information? There is no button on the website that I can use to access this information. We haven't talked about any WordPress plugin so far in this regard. So don't worry at all. Actually, we have one very powerful tool called Google Analytics. So in this background, this module is fully dedicated to understanding of the working of Google Analytics, and you will specifically learn what is Google Analytics platform, how does Google Analytics work, why every digital marketer should make use of Google Analytics. So let us jump to another phase of digital marketing, and I hope you will not only enjoy it, but you will learn a lot about the digital marketing analytics. So let us begin. If you remember, in the very first week, I discussed with you the process of digital marketing, and the most important phase of this process was measurement and tracking. We discussed it is very important to measure and track your marketing efforts so that you may take the corrective actions if there is any gap in the performance. No doubt, in the offline marketing over a period of time, we have developed many methods to measure the performance of marketing efforts. However, the accuracy of such methods, tools, techniques is still questionable, and marketers are hesitant to use the data produced by these tools. The scenario is different in case of digital marketing. Here you can measure and track the results of marketing efforts with 100% accuracy with sophisticated tools available like Google Analytics and others. So first, let us see what is Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a free tool from Google for web analytics. Google Analytics was launched by Google in the year of 2005 when it acquired the Urchin, a website statistics analysis program. Presently, Google Analytics is available inside the brand of Google Marketing Platform, a product from the Google. Google Analytics track the information collected from the website or mobile app and present in a very structured form to the admin or the users. It helps in understanding the audience insight. You can track the ROI of your marketing efforts. Let me briefly explain how Google Analytics work. There are 4 phases of Google Analytics. The first one is collection, then filtering, organization, presentation. In the very first phase, that is collection, Google Analytics collects the raw information from your website or mobile app with the help of the tracking code. A tracking code is a unique code generated by Google Analytics that we have to embed in our website. Once you embed this code in a website, Google Analytics will immediately start collecting the information. The information is collected on various parameters as defined by Google Analytics algorithm. Google Analytics uses various signals like browser settings, cookies, browser behavior, etc. with the help of the code embedded in the website to collect the information. How to set up Google accounts and embed the code in a website, that we will learn in the next module. The next phase is filtering. Google Analytics collects a lot of information from the website and in a very huge volume. But all the information may not be relevant for the marketers and other users. So in this stage, Google Analytics filters the information and keeps the relevant information only for further processing. The third phase is organization. The information is filtered at the back end and the Google Analytics organizes this information into various meaningful segments and categories. There are a number of categories in which the information is classified. The last phase is the presentation. After the organization of information, Google Analytics presents this information to the user in a very understandable and meaningful way in the form of various reports that you can easily browse and download to further analyze the data and take the decisions. What are those reports? We will discuss them from time to time in the subsequent modules. Data categorization by Google Analytics. Let us see how Google Analytics categorizes the information. Primarily, Google Analytics categorizes the information into three main categories like acquisition, behavior, and conversions. Let me briefly discuss these categories. First, we have the acquisition. Acquisition simply means how you are acquiring the traffic to your website. We know there may be many sources from where the traffic is coming to your website, like direct by using our domain name, through organic search, through social media, by referrals, but we don't know with which proportion the traffic is coming to our website from these sources. Here Google Analytics will provide us the complete information in this regard. We will see more detail of acquisition category in the Google Analytics interface. The second category is behavior. The behavior data is related to what visitors are actually doing on our website. Here we will get the information how the content of the website is performing. Is it engaging or not? Here the information is provided on sessions, page views, bounce rate, exit rate, etc. If these terms are new to you, don't worry at all. I am going to explain these terms very soon. The third is conversion. Now, what is the meaning of a conversion? It is defined in the context of the objectives of the website. For someone, it may be sales. For someone, it may be subscription. For someone, it may be registration, and so on. Conversion reports are further classified into different sections like goals, e-commerce, multi-channel funnel, and attribution. I will talk about these reports in the subsequent modules. So this was the basic introduction to Google Analytics account and how does it work. So in the next part, I will talk about why Google Analytics account is important for every digital marketer. So just join me there.